Hello everyone, my name is Gimme Gamma. I'm here today with an interesting video on the subject of artificial intelligence, deep learning, and the future of film. In 2018, Peter Jackson released a film titled They Shall Not Grow Old. In this film, Peter and his team restored and colored footage from World War I. This is a painstaking process involving hours and hours and hours of rotoscoping and coloring by hand. This is done frame by frame and is no easy task. What they pulled off with this film is simply breathtaking. Here we have a clip from the classic 1974 film, Young Frankenstein. This is a fantastic film if you haven't seen it. I highly recommend. And now, here it is in color. What if I told you the coloring of this film was done entirely by artificial intelligence? Would you believe me? Richard Zhang, Philip Isola, and Alexei A. Efros are researchers out of Berkeley and have taken AI and deep learning and applied it to visual images in a way we never thought possible until now. Their work in this process has been published publicly, and I'll leave a link to their work in the description. The way their AI and deep learning algorithms work is they are provided a sample image. From the sample image, the AI takes note of what colors are what in the image, then cross-checks the black and white image you're wanting to color and applying what it thinks are the correct colors. This method isn't perfect straight out of the box. The more reference images the AI receives, the better the final product will be. With the internet and the seemingly endless amounts of images and videos you can find, the AI will only get better and better. Colors are an interesting topic in that we have different ways of interpreting them. Typically, in the video and film world, we would think of colors as RGB, or red, green, and blue. These are the three primary additive colors in which we can make any other color on the rainbow. The model that's used in the AI is the Lab Color Space, or CIE-LAB. The International Commission on Illumination, the CIE, in 1976, it expresses colors as three numerical values: L for lightness or gamma, and A and B for the green-red and blue-yellow color components. That is what comprises LAB. In order to have our images work properly with this AI is to convert them to the CIE lab from RGB, then back again to RGB. CIE lab was designed to approximate human vision. The L component, or lightness, closely matches human perception of lightness. The L model is given to the AI, then it will generate the A and the B values on its own. The process is simply broken down like this. We have our black and white image, which is used as L, or lightness, in the lab model. This is applied to the model. A and B are generated, then added back to L, and we get our final image. This is simply put, of course. The AI is only going to be as good as how many sample images you give it. The more the better. I'm no computer scientist, nor am I a coder. Jumping into this whole thing was a completely new process to me, and I had to seek help from a friend who works in computer sciences and coding. I spent about 4 days getting it set up on my machine. In order to get this working on your machine, you'll need a basic understanding of Python, OpenCV, and JupyterLab, or enlist the help of a friend like I did. In its current state, this AI learning and neural network is not an app or software. It's simply code. Getting the code to run on your machine is the tricky part. Once you have it set up, it's a fairly straightforward process. So this is where the big questions come into play. Will AI, deep learning, and neural networks be the future of color in film? Yes, and also no. While this AI is very, very impressive, it's still in its infancy. It still cannot do as good a job as a human, which you saw displayed in Peter Jackson's World War I film. This AI is also, as it stands, single use. It only colors black and white media. Today, it's hard to find a camera that only shoots in black and white. This AI can evolve over time and assist in other areas of color in the future. Either way, it's an exciting step in the world of artificial intelligence. I'm interested in seeing where it goes from here. Well, that wraps up today's video, and I hope I was able to teach you something. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down in the comments section so I see them. Giving this video a like is always appreciated, and consider subscribing. And until the next video, have a great day.